Hi friends, let us solve this equation. 5x square plus 5y square plus 8xy plus 2y minus 2x plus 2 equals 0. Let us try to see this as in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, then we'll use b square minus 4ac and all. Let's see how. This equation, we can slightly transform this as 5x square plus 8y minus 2 times x plus 5y square plus 2y plus 2 equals 0 in terms of ax square plus bx plus c. Now, for this equation to have real solutions, we need to have b square minus 4ac should be greater than or equal to 0. Right. So 8y minus 2 whole square minus 4 times 5 times this expression, that is 20 times 5y square plus 2y plus 2 should be greater than or equal to 0. This becomes 8y square, that is 64y square plus 4 minus 2 times 8 and 2, which is 32y minus 100y square minus 40y minus 40. This should be greater than or equal to 0. If you see 64 minus 100 is minus 36y square and 4 minus 40 is minus 36 and minus 32y minus 40y is minus 72. That means minus 36 times y square plus 2y plus 1 should be greater than or equal to 0. This means minus 36 times y plus 1 whole square should be greater than or equal to 0. Right. Y plus 1 will always be greater than or equal to 0. But there is minus 36 here. That means this product can will always be less than or equal to 0 because it's definitely positive and minus 36 is negative. The only way this equation can hold is both of them can be 0. If this is 0, then only this will hold. Otherwise, for all y non-zeros, this expression will always be less than 0 because this is positive, y plus 1 square is positive and minus 36 is negative. That means y should be minus 1 to make this expression 0. Right. So we have got y as minus 1. Let us directly substitute this minus 1 to get y. Right. 5x square plus 5 times 5x square, this one, 8y minus 2. It is this 8 times minus 8 minus 2 minus 10x plus 5y square. That is 5 minus 2 plus 2 equals 0. That becomes 5x square minus 10x plus only 5 is left here plus y is 0. That means 5 we can take common. That means we will be left with x square minus 2x plus 1 equals 0 because 5 we can remove from here, right? 5 we can take common. So x minus 1 whole square equals 0. This means what? X minus 1 whole square equals 0. That means x equals 1. So our solution is x equals 1 and y equals minus 1. This is such a simple problem. Right, guys? Hope you like this. Thank you.